Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. Today we will see chapter 7, that is about house. In this chapter, we will learn about the Aniket the wanderer, how he became a wanderer. So, Aniket was a very young boy, became an orphan. He had no family. So he had to do some labor himself and earn his livelihood. Let us see how he became a wanderer. Aniket lived on footpath. There he would get troubled by heat of the sun during day and by cold during night. When it rained, he shivered. He would also get insect bites. He carried bricks for a builder who was building flats for people. It made him earn little money and he saved most of it. When the multi-story building of flats was fully built, it looked really huge. Aniket, with the saved money, bought a tent. It was made of a strong cloth called canvas. He was really happy as he set it up as a house. Aniket felt the urge to move to a new place, so he traveled carrying the tent with him and reached to a nearby river. There he set up his tent house and started working as a fisherman. When he earned enough money, he built himself a houseboat. After some time, Aniket left his houseboat for a friend and wandered to search a new place. He settled down in a village on the way. There he started working as a farmer. He built a mud and straw house for himself. The mud house could protect him from heat, cold, rain, dust, insects, and wild animals. But one day, a violent storm destroyed all such kacha houses in the village. Aniket got a chance to move on to a new place where he could build a new house. He traveled through dense forest and reached to a lake. Aniket thought he could work there again as a fisherman as he was skilled at that. He lived there on rent in someone's house. It was a marshy area and only stilt house could be built there. Such house can survive even during flood. When Aniket had lived there enough, he wandered to a nearby city to live. With the money he had saved, he bought a caravan house that was mobile. He was really happy being a wanderer. Next, he wanted to move to some place with snow where he could build igloo. Thus, we can see how Aniket became a wanderer and enjoyed living in all different kinds of houses. A house should be airy and well lit. It should always be kept clean.